Hello and welcome to my video on the introduction to the computer. This video is going to talk about what a computer is and the basic components of a computer, and will also serve as the introduction to my series on computer science. So first question is, what is a computer? Well, according to Merriam-Webster, a computer is a programmable, usually electronic device that can store, retrieve, and process data. So examples you will see around you are graphing calculators, laptop computers and desktop computers, phones, gaming consoles, and robots. Every computer has hardware. Hardware is all the stuff that is physically present, such as your display, your screen, which you're watching this on right now, keyboards, and ports. Ports that your computer interact with peripherals, which are what you call things that you can input with, such as a mouse or keyboard, and also lets you transfer data in and out of your computer. With a keyboard, you'd be inputting data into your computer by inputting text, and you would be taking it out of your computer if you connected your computer to a display using HDMI. Within this case, you have the motherboard. The motherboard contains all of the most important parts of your computer, which does the computing. This includes the processor, or the CPU, which stands for Central Processing Unit. This executes all of the main instructions of your computer and is basically the brain of your computer. The RAM, which stands for Random Access Memory, is what lets your computer hold data for as long as it needs or until the computer is shut down. Here are the ports which you could see on the outside. This lets your computer interact with the peripherals that I was speaking to earlier. It also includes storage. On this motherboard, you will see that it has a port right here for you to insert storage into. There are many forms of storage that you can see on computers. Here are some of the most common ones. Hard disk drives are fairly old but still very common in use today. They included magnetic disk and a reader. Data is stored on this disk and is read using magnetism. And this spins around. So the main problem with this is that because it is a moving part, it's more vulnerable to failure than some of its other alternatives. This is a solid-state drive. This is fairly new and is becoming more and more popular today. It's faster and has no moving parts at all. But this is different than eMMC. eMMC is a low-cost and small form of storage that also has no moving parts. You'll see it in lower-end phones and tablets, as well as some other kinds of devices. So the way that these can all interact with the actual and come together to do the computing, along with your processor and other things, is software. Software is basically the part that you cannot physically see, but is rather just instructions being executed by your computer. Software includes your operating system, such as Windows or Mac OS, and all of the applications and programs it has on that. This is an example of a program. In this program, you can see that it is a Python program, and it is trying to say "Hello World" on the screen. We will use a command or a program right here, which says print "Hello World." When we execute this, the print command will be translated into what's called machine language. Then the computer will execute it and it will come back and show "Hello World" on the screen. This is a basic program. So that was it for this video, and we're going to be talking about in the next one what a programming language is and some basic Python. Thank you for watching.